Birds are wonderful creation in nature. Bangladesh is a favorite homeland of variety of birds. Birds fly, sing and chirp up from dawn to dusk. They contribute much to add charm and beauty of our country. We will always be kind to these birds and make our land a happy and sound homeland for them.
Name the birds.
Common ময়না, শালিক, sparrow, চড়ুই, parrot, টিয়া, crow, কাক, owl, পেঁচা, cuckoo, কোকিল।
What is your favorite bird? Say what you know about it.
Match the words with parts of the bird. Read the text in section A and fill the boxes with information from the text. Click on each box for answer. Vocabulary. Click on each word. Sprightly. The woodpecker is a sprightly bird. Meaning, active and energetic. Fauna. The fauna of the Sundarbans is rich. Meaning, all the animals that live in a particular area. Bark. The bark of cinnamon is used as spice. Meaning, the rough outer part of a tree. Plenty.
There are plenty of birds in the lake.
Meaning, enough, a lot of. Read the text in section A and fill the boxes with information from the text. Click on each box for answer.